Hi, I'm Greg, a Senior Cloud Support Engineer here at the AWS office in Cape Town. Today I'll show you how to set up a Network Address Translation, or NAT gateway, to allow resources in a private subnet to access the internet and also prevent inbound internet access to those resources. Let's get started. First, let's create a public subnet to host the NAT gateway. Log into the AWS Management Console. Then navigate to the Amazon Virtual Private Cloud console. Go to Subnets and choose Create Subnet. Select the VPC, choose an IPv4 subnet CIDR block, and then select an availability zone where you want to put this public subnet. Enter a name such as Public Subnet 1 and then choose Create Subnet. Next, we'll set up an Internet gateway attached to the VPC. Go to Internet Gateways and then choose Create Internet Gateway. Enter a name for it, then choose Create. Now select the Internet Gateway and then choose Attach to VPC. Select your VPC and then choose Attach Internet Gateway. Let's create a custom route table for the public subnet with a route that sends internet traffic to the Internet Gateway. Go to Route Tables and then choose Create Route Table. Enter a name for it such as Public Route Table and then select the VPC. Make sure that the new route table is still selected. Choose the Routes tab and then choose Edit Routes. Add a new route with 0.0.0.0.0/0 as the destination and the Internet Gateway ID for the target. Choose Save Changes. Finally, let's associate this route table with the public subnet. With the route table selected, go to Subnet Associations tab and then choose Edit Subnet Associations. Select the public subnet and then choose Save Associations. Now let's create the NAT gateway itself in the public subnet. Go to NAT Gateways and choose Create NAT Gateway. Select the public subnet that you just created and then choose an elastic IP address or get a new elastic IP address. Choose Create NAT Gateway. You might need to wait a few minutes for the NAT gateway to be provisioned. We don't need to wait for the NAT gateway to be provisioned. So now let's update the route table for the private subnet to send internet traffic to the NAT gateway. Go to Route Tables again and then select the route table used by the private subnet. Go to the Routes tab and then choose Edit Routes. Add a new route with 0.0.0.0/0 as the destination and the NAT gateway ID as the target when the NAT gateway is ready. Then choose Save Changes. To test connectivity, let's launch an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud instance in the private subnet so that we can send a ping to the internet from that instance. For this video demonstration, I'll connect to the Amazon EC2 instance from an EC2 instance in my public subnet. A private subnet must be in the same availability zone as the NAT gateway to avoid inter-availability zone data transfer charges. The instance can make outbound connections through the NAT gateway, but external hosts can't initiate connections to the instance's private IP. So now you know how to set up a network address translation or NAT gateway to allow resources in a private subnet to access the internet and also prevent inbound internet access to those resources. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.